Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday. It's Friday. Yippee. Nice and early. It's about 8:30. It's only 84 degrees. Probably going to be 100 again. Yippee. I'm headed over to Cerulean for a winch out on a tractor trailer. I don't have a lot of details about it. They called it in, and I guess they're trying to get to out here to the Amish for a delivery, and could be a number of things. Driver could be off the roadway. He could have dropped the trailer off in a ditch. Don't really know what I'm getting into until I get out there, but thanks for tagging along. Thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see when we get on scene, and you guys find out when I find out what we're doing. Got a nice little pick and swing action here. So, driver just miscalculated the corner. Oh, one of those crates broke. Time to turn it. Using two 1/2-inch grade 100 chains. Ow! Meow! That hurt my finger. Back up a little more. change my angle a little bit. It's really hard to get set up for these sometimes when they're on tight roads like this. I need to get a whole lot closer. How's it going? All right, you ready? I was just making sure you were out of the way. I did verify before I turned the camera on that his brakes were released. Released. I meant to say set. All his brakes are set.
right there.
Yeah. Yep. Control it all on a remote.
Well, they sent me an EFS code. Okay.
They sent it to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
How long it take to learn all this?
I still learn every day.
Okay. What I learned out this experience was someone was telling me to slide my tandems up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I would recommend sliding your tandems up until you get back to the interstate.
Oh, yes.
You're back here in some backwoods. You're going to be on some tight roads.
Yes.
So I would slide them things all the way forward and just watch your tail swing.
Yes. If somebody car done broke down, y'all been having a good day.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, man. Thanks for the fun.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Yes,
Appreciate it, brother.
I'm pulled out.
You be careful, man.
Oh, yes, I am.
Pretty cool, huh?
My dispatch said don't go nowhere until I get to the ship.
See you, buddy. Well, that was fun. Morning. How are you doing?
That was an easy job, huh?
It wasn't too bad. They're never easy, but she wasn't too bad. So,
Well, you made it look easy.
yeah, I'm pretty good at that. I've been doing it for a little while, so that was pretty fun. Those are my favorite thing to do right there.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah.
I guess it would have been probably laying on the side if it wouldn't catch there, huh?
Yeah, if this wasn't here, like if this dropped off right here, he'd have laid over. And those might have helped a little bit.
Very little.
But they would have, if he'd have hit it with any more speed, away she would have went. So,
They didn't have much in there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, you guys have a good day.
Are you local?
Yeah, we're out of Oak Grove and Katie's. So we got 2 locations. Yeah. Why does this happen a lot?
No.
Oh.
But I had told 2 of the neighbors here this morning to let them know that the road's closed. And they said, well, if they need a record, there's one out in Hopkinsville, and they didn't give your name.
Jones Brothers. Yeah. He's been around a while. We're in Oak Grove, Katie's. We cover Hopkinsville. We cover about 3,000 square miles. We're also in Nashville, Tennessee too. So we're pretty good size outfit. So, but yeah, I think he has an air problem.
Yeah. It's got to cause him to take this corner short, that he just wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, he needs to slide his trailer axles forward to shorten up his bridge there. That way he could have made this corner. And he probably just didn't swing wide enough, because if he'd have swung way out and came around, he'd have been.
This road catches a lot of people. It's narrow.
Yeah.
It's the first time it happened. So.
Yeah. Well,
There's a couple that nicked the mailbox already, but there's trucks in and out every day almost.
Yeah. So we'll make sure he's good to go. Oh, he's sliding his axles. So you watch what he's about to do. Well, he's got his trailer brake set. And he tried to release his axles there.
Well, he should be okay the next place.
There they go. Yep. All right, then, I'm out of here.
Thank you.
You guys have a good day. Well, that's the end of that. Those are fun. Those are my favorite. So. Well, we're gonna get back to the office, maybe. We'll see what happens, what comes up next. If I could do pick and swings all day long, I would. They take a little bit to get your truck in the right position when you're using a straight stick, because they're never in a position. I always try to do it where, especially with as loaded as that guy was, you know, where I can get it straight off the back of the truck and go from there. But if I had, you know, Ragnar or big Kenworth, it really that truck really doesn't matter. You just set that truck up and she'll do whatever you want it to do. But with my truck, it's actually a little bit too small to be doing pick and swings. It's really easy to tip over, so you got to really pay attention. Same with the Mac. The Mac would do it a little bit better if you get straight on, because it's more designed, being an NRC, the truck that Shane drives, it's more designed for lifting and recovery, so it does a little bit better than the Miller trucks like mine. But I don't know, it all comes down to the operator. You know, the operator's got to be able to operate the truck no matter what. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll keep them coming if you guys keep watching. Okay, bye.